good news about Jesus as called to Luke chapter 2 from verse 15 to verse 21. After the angel them left and go back at heaven, the shepherd them said to them one another, make we go to Bethlehem, go see all what the Lord tell me about. Them hurry and go find Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus. We did a lie down in the bed we make out of dry grass. When they see them tell everybody all what the angel did say about the baby. And everybody will hear what the shepherd them say. Shock. But Mary, she keep what them say in her heart and think about them all the time. The shepherd them go back to them sheep and praise God for all of them hear and see. Because everything them did see and hear are just like how the angel did tell them. 8 days after the baby born, at the time for circumcise and name him, them call him Jesus. Just like how the angel said them to call him long before him born. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God